A common problem with the Ninja blenders is that the cup, which is very convenient, sometimes the lid gets stuck, and no matter what you do, no matter how hard you pull, it's really sealed on there. And I've got a simple solution for you. If your cup is empty, you're going to want to add about a half cup or a full cup of water. That's plenty. Make sure this cap is open. Put it in the microwave. Microwave it for about 30 seconds at a time. Once the microwave has warmed the water, unscrew the lid. If you still can't get it on, keep warming it a little bit at a time in the microwave.